Alright, so before I go ahead and show you guys my house and clean up a little bit, of course, because y'all, last night I went a little bit too hard, okay? So I do want to go ahead and clean up, but before I do that, you guys, I do want to mention that this video is in partnership with Dossier. You guys know I always mention their perfume because I am literally obsessed with it. Their perfume is so good because number one, it does dupe high-end perfumes out there, but the best part is their brand is a lot more affordable. It's not as pricey as the high-end ones, and you do have a lot of your favorites. I'm talking about YSL Black Opium, Tom Ford, Chanel No. 5. I could keep going on and on, but I do have a lot of their perfumes, which I absolutely love. But you guys, the cool part is they do now have a candle version of their perfumes. So you guys can see right here, I think it's so cute, where it says love at first match. I mean, come on, like love at first match, because you know, light a match to light your candle. I'm sure you guys already know about this. So going back to the perfume, you guys know their Floriental Vanilla perfume is inspired by the YSL Black Opium perfume, okay? So let me go ahead and grab the candle version of it, which I think is so cute and unique because, I mean, you get to match your perfumes now with their candles. That is so crazy to me. It is a 1-wick candle, okay? And it smells so good. I can smell it from here. And I get to have YSL Black Opium, you know, smelling throughout my house. That is insane. So I'm gonna go ahead and light this for you guys, and then we'll start cleaning it and getting this house, you know, in order. Okay, let's get to it. So before I go ahead and start, I'm just gonna give you guys an overview of what my house is looking like right now. So I came back and threw my Sephora stuff that I got earlier in the day on the floor. So is my purse as well. And then coming over here, y'all, it is a hot mess. And I promise y'all, my place usually looks very clean, okay? But I'm giving you guys the real stuff today. So I was so tired. I came back around, what time? 3 a.m. yesterday. I threw down all the pillows on the floor and fell asleep on the couch because I was so tired, you guys. Like, I literally took off my shoes, as you guys can see, my keys over here, my other shoe. And then this right here is just a mess, okay? I even ate some cheesecake, obviously. At least I took off my makeup. I should have washed my face, but I didn't do all that. It is a hot mess, and I do have my heater over there too. So now going into the bedroom. All right, so you guys know when you're getting ready, your vanity never ever looks organized, okay? It gets super messy. I had all my foundations, powders, bronzers, brushes, everything like all over, so I need to go ahead and clean that up. And then moving over to my bed, need to go ahead and make that, because right now, like, this is not me, I promise you guys, but I was just had a little too much fun last night, okay? Then of course I threw my jacket on the floor as well because I was hot in the middle of the night. So this is what the bathroom is looking like. It's really not that bad, honestly, you guys. I have my lotion, my hair stuff, mascara, and then on the floor I have a random shirt that I didn't want to wear. So this is really not that bad. I think it's super clean, but we need to get this house together. So let's go ahead and get to it.